Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open the chat where you sent the message and focus on the small ticks beside your bubble. You'll see one tick when Telegram has sent your packet to the server. Once you see 2 ticks, that means the message reached the recipient's device. Make sure you give it a moment. Network delays can hold delivery. If you don't see any tick, retry sending. This quick check shows you delivery status without opening additional menus or settings. Next, confirm why delivery might lag. The recipient could be offline or using a data saver that delays background sync. Make sure your connection is stable. A flaky network can prevent the ticks from updating. Also, understand that privacy settings like hiding last seen do not hide ticks, but other settings or blocked status will. Once done, try sending a test message or small media to force sync. These checks explain why a delivered double tick might not appear immediately. Finally, interpret read receipts and resolve issues. On Telegram, double ticks usually become blue when the recipient reads the message. This confirms both delivery and viewing. If ticks never update, restart Telegram and check for app updates, then resend the message. If the single tick persists indefinitely, consider that you may be blocked or the recipient's device hasn't synced. One troubleshooting tip: log out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear stuck states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.